What is up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the trade I took today that made me $800. I trade live every day on Discord for completely free, so click the link in the description or go to my YouTube bio or Instagram bio and the link is there. So let's jump straight into the trade that I took today. So going into the day, my daily bias was bullish. Well, on the daily time frame, my bias is this buy side liquidity up here, but I'm not bothered if it hits it this week or next week, let's say. But that is my overall bias. I am not necessarily sure, even though we could get a retracement back. But then what I was looking at more importantly was these 15-minute swing highs and lows, because as you can see, we have clear equal lows, and we also have very clear equal highs. So these oh, where is that pasting to? So these were my bias going into today. I wanted to see these equal lows swept, and then I wanted to see a draw for these equal highs. Now, as you can see, I've put the replay mode to 8:30 a.m. I don't start trading till 9:30 a.m. So this was before I looked at the market. I loaded up. I seen that price had these clear equal lows, and then the price has these clear equal highs. Sorry, I don't know why they are lows. Equal highs here. As you can see, they are to the left. We have the equal highs here, and we have the equal highs here. And as I have spoke about in recent videos, equal highs and equal lows are an extremely good draw on liquidity. If we have these marked out on our charts, we can get a very good idea on where we think price is going to go. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, the first thing that I was looking at was this fair value gap right here. And the reason why I was looking at this fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame is because I was saying to the Discord, if we get an inverse of this 15-minute time frame, then I want these equal lows to be taken. And if these equal lows get taken, I want us to respect this 15-minute fair value gap. I do not want price to necessarily close below. If price does close below, then I would need a plus setup to get the equal lows. And as you can see, price does come down, price takes these equal lows, and price actually ends up disrespecting this bullish fair value gap. And then we get open. And as you can see, open, we take this sell side liquidity here. So we just sweep this sell side liquidity here. But what we also do is we also swipe these equal lows, equal highs right here. So this equal high has already been swept out, which was quite annoying because I missed that move. I didn't enter into this trade on the 9:30 open, even though there was a very nice inversion setup model that played out. But yeah, I did not manage to enter into that trade. But then if we actually play the price action out, as you can see, we get this. Let me just make the price a lot clearer. We get this candle here at 9:30. Now, this candle at 9:30 was telling me a lot, because this is the most dominant bearish candle. So I was saying to the Discord, if we inverse this fair value gap, then I would want a move to at least this buy side. So this is buy side liquidity. So as I said, I was targeting this buy side liquidity as soon as this 1 minute bearish fair value gap was violated, and as well as the sell side liquidity being taken, we are also respecting this 15-minute bullish order block. So there was a lot of reasons for me to be bullish. We have this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, we have swept sell side liquidity, we have equal highs above. So everything was telling me that we want to see a move to the upside in today's markets. So I marked out this fair value gap. Hopefully you've seen the clip. I've also uploaded a whole huge video of me calling out this trade and taking this trade live. So I waited for this trade to get inversed, and as you can see, straight away there is the trade that got inversed. So I entered a long position there. My stop loss was if we get a candle close below this fair value gap, and then my target was this buy side liquidity right here. Now you might be wondering, why am I not targeting this buy side liquidity up here? Why am I not targeting these equal highs that I keep talking about? And the reason why I didn't want to target these equal highs, and the reason why I took off 100% of my position here, was just because it is a Monday morning. It is the first trade of the week. Monday, no news, so price could definitely be a bit sloppy. And yeah, so I took. That is literally the main two reasons why. Is because it was my first trade of the week. It was a Monday with no news. So this was my main target, and it was a nice risk to reward, a 1 to 1.6. And obviously with trading this model, it has over a 70% win rate. So I do not mind if the win rate, if the risk to reward isn't amazing every single time, just because I know how good the win rate is. And yeah, that is the main reason why I didn't want to target these equal highs. And as you see, if we play at the price action, I would have got stopped at break even if I did hold for those equal highs and didn't take partials. If this was another day, I could have took 80% off there, 90% off there, left that runner to there. That's completely fine if you did that. But just because the reasons I listed is the reasons why I targeted these equal highs. So a very simple trade starting off today. Yeah, that was a one winner that I took. And I also took one break even trade, which was just this fair value gap here. I said to my Discord, as soon as we inverse this fair value gap, I am actually going to target the equal highs above there. And when we play at the price action, as you can see, we get more of a retracement. Then we start coming up. We perfectly tap off this order block as well. So we get a nice rejection to this bullish order block. So that only gives me compliments that we are going to carry on going to the upside. So that is another reason why I was willing to re-enter into this buy. And if we play at price action, as you can see, we get a nice candle close above there. So that would have been my entry. My stop loss would have been a close back below this fair value gap. So if we play at the price action, as you can see, price comes up, starts consolidating a bit. We then come back down. Price is very choppy here. We take out, oh, not yet. We take out this high here, and as soon as we take out this high here, I put my stop loss to break even, just because how choppy this price action is, and I wasn't willing to take a loss because we've already took that big win earlier, and I ended up getting stopped out for break even there. Yeah, that was the second trade that I took on the live stream. So two very simple targets today. We have these equal highs that did eventually get hit, but I didn't manage to catch it. The move, I only took those two trades today. Yeah, very simple trades following the inversion model for value gaps. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Make sure you join the Discord, link is in the description.